draw one straight line but not really long, and from here I'm going to turn this one, and from here on the top of this tilted I'm going to draw one rectangle shape. Now here I'm going to do plus sign. Now from here I'm going to make a triangle shape here. So this is small and this is long here. I will curve this one and I will do the same thing other side. So this is my plus sign, little bit above over here. I will curve this one and I'm going to draw kind of like alphabet S. But you can see this one is small and this one is long. And at the end I will curve this one. Same thing I'm going to do this side. And from here it won't be straight, it will be curvy. This is the curve. In the middle I will start and I will go kind of like a triangular shape, like this way, but with the curve. So I will curve here and curve here and connect with this one. Same thing I will do this side. Under this plus sign I'm going to draw curvy triangle. So all sides are curvy and this is sad face, curve, curve, and then connect. I will color and leave little bit of space over here. On the line very close to this nose I'm going to draw one circle over here and one circle this side. Now I will take tiny line over here and one smiley here. Now I will start from here, also from here, and it will go all the way here in the middle. This is the line. Under this one I'm going to draw alphabet Y, kind of like a bird. So this is the Y. I will take one point under this one, and from here I will curve this one and I will connect all the way over here. So kind of like a big C. Same thing I will do this side, and I will start from here. So I want a small body, so I won't do the big one. I will try to make it a little bit small. Now little bit, not from here, little bit up over here, I'm going to draw the back legs, and then tail will be here. Here you can draw whatever design you want.